Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Display section. After that, scroll down again, select Font and tap on the best one for you. In my case, this one. Now you need to click on Free over here, wait a couple of seconds and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and go back to your default font by tapping on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now you need to click on Fonts and select Roboto. Lastly, choose Apply and click on Reboot. Then wait. And as you can see now, my font is changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!